What's up guys, my name is Soren and welcome back to the channel. On this video, I'm going to be going over why social media matters in business, especially your business. Now before I do that, if you could please smash that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions throughout the video or any other topics you would like me to cover, and be sure if you're not already to subscribe to the channel. It helps me a lot in the algorithm to get this content out in front of more people and help people build a financial future for themselves. Now, the main thing I'm going over in this video, like I said at the beginning, is really why social media matters in business. And I'm going to kind of answer that with a couple of questions. But like for that matter, why does TV matter in business? Why does radio matter in business? And it all comes down to marketing. For years, a lot of the marketing we saw were on billboards, radio, and television. Because that's where all the traffic was. That's where people were spending their time. People were spending time reading magazines. People were spending their time driving to work and seeing that billboard. People were spending time watching those soap operas or comedies or documentaries on TV and would see the ads in between because you couldn't skip forward like you can now. Or you just watch Netflix and you don't have any ads at all. Now, social media is an opportunity where there's tons of people, tons of traffic, if you would say, where you can get your business, your product or service in front of tons of people who don't know who you are or what you do. And it's a great opportunity to educate them, and it's a great opportunity to not only educate them on who you are and what you do, but why your service or product is better and why they should do business with you. And really what I want to talk about in this video, more than anything else, is the ability to have organic reach on these platforms. You might have heard that term a lot, but it's where you can have hundreds, if not hundreds of thousands of people see your videos or content without paying for advertising. Now this is huge because the only cost comes down to how much time you're willing to put in to making content basically for free advertisement, or what is your time worth. Now this is huge on social media platforms because not only is organic content, organic reach, creating a organic following that much more effective and have higher conversion rates for you and your business, but you also don't have the same expense that you would if you're running ads. Now don't get me wrong, ads have their place in business. They can have an extremely high ROI ad as well. However, for long-term sustainable growth, creating an audience around your product or service is a much better way to go. It is extremely important because social media is in fact social. You can communicate with your audience, with customers, with potential customers all over social media and create interactions with them. And if you know anything about marketing, especially the 3 touches principle, you know that having interactions with your potential customers or past customers or even current customers is extremely important in not only earning their business but retaining it in the future as well. And social media allows you to do that like never before. You can reach more people, create more sales, and a happier customer all through social media. Not only can you create a happy customer, but you can create a super fan as well. People who interact with your posts, people who not only follow your content because they like your product or service, but because they obsess over it because it changes their lives. And they feel like they have a real connection with you and your brand and your business. The last thing I want to go over is if you're not building your business on social media, you're missing out on some serious opportunity and potential growth. Now, some businesses are going to benefit more than others from having a presence on social media. Obviously, consumer products are going to do better and service-based products as well. Now, that doesn't mean just because you don't have a business that is consumer product or service related, that doesn't mean you shouldn't be on social media. You can still benefit from it and create awareness. Having even just awareness about what your business does and who you are allows for more potential growth in the future because people know who you are and what you do and are more likely to do business with you. There's tons of potential and opportunity on social media just like any other platform. This doesn't even include search engines such as Google or Pinterest, where you can forcibly almost get in front of your audience. and the interactions you can have with your client base and your customers on social media are truly unique, and it's how you can grow a following and not only do business with your customers, but be friends and build relationships with them as well. Thanks for watching the video. If you learned anything or if this helped in any way, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you for watching and have a great day.